If you're a creator, then you need to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Yo, ever dream of making money doing what you love? YouTube's the place where creativity meets opportunity. It's not just about cat videos anymore, though those are cool. From gaming to beauty tips, tech reviews to daily vlogs, there's a niche for everyone. It's a real way to earn, even with 1,000 subscribers. You can start small and grow big, one video at a time. Think of it like this. You're building a community around your passion. Your viewers become your supporters, and their engagement fuels your success. As it grows, so does your income potential. More views mean more ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Sound good? Let's do this. Start creating, keep engaging, and watch your channel turn views into cash. First up, AdSense. This is the gateway to earning money on YouTube. It's how most YouTubers get started. Setting up your AdSense account is crucial. Basically, you let YouTube put ads on your videos. These ads can appear before, during, or after your content. When people watch or click, you get paid. The more engaging your content, the higher the chances of ad interaction. 1,000 views won't make you rich, but it's a start. Every view counts towards your growth. Think of it as your base camp before climbing Mount YouTube money. Plan your content, engage with your audience, and keep improving. Once you've got some eyes on your content, sponsorships open up. Companies pay you to feature their products. Make sure they fit your channel's vibe. Authenticity is key. Merch is another level. T-shirts, mugs, hats, anything with your brand. Fans love repping creators they dig. Section 4. Engagement is king. Quality content for a loyal audience. Here's the thing. None of this works without awesome content. Find your niche. What makes you unique? High-quality videos, consistent uploads, engage with your comments. Build a community, not just viewers. They'll be your biggest supporters. Section 5. Your YouTube journey starts now. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the beginning of an exciting adventure. Listen, building a YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't have millions of views overnight. Every successful YouTuber started small, with just a handful of views and subscribers. Stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. Experiment with different styles and formats until you find what works best for you. Your passion will shine through, and the money will follow. Engage with your community, respond to comments, and build a loyal fan base. Now go out there and make something awesome. Remember, every video is a step forward in your journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride.